Okay folks, this is the second part of my tutorial on how to get your internet service in your home running at optimum speed. I've already did the basic maintenance, disk cleanup, and defragmentation for your system. So now we're going to target the router in your home. By the way, this only works for homes with wireless networks. If you have DSL or any other kind of wired hookup, that's a separate tutorial. I'll do that at another time. Okay, so if you have a wireless router hookup system in your home, then this will work for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the DNS server, and the DNS server is basically where your computer provider or your internet service provider draws your internet data from. It could be in China as far as you know, but you want to get the one closest to you. So let's try OpenDNS. So we're going to type in Google OpenDNS. Okay, and that's going to take you to typically the first item. You'll click on that and it's going to take you to the OpenDNS homepage. You'll see that I'm already logged in here. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign up. Okay, it's a free account, completely free. Once you sign up, it'll send you an email, verify your email. You come back to the homepage and log in. Once you log in, you want to go here to where it says Home DNS. All right, now once you get to the Home DNS page, it shows you two items that they allow you to do. You can use set up parental controls. You can go through that and set up stuff for your kids or what have you. But today's tutorial is about premium DNS, making our browser, making our internet faster. So you want to go ahead and click on that. All right. Then once you get there, you want to go back down here where it says completely free. All right, and click on Get Started. All right. Then what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this page where you can change the DNS server service for your router and your computer. This particular tutorial is just for your router. All right, so let's go ahead and click on the router. All right. So now it's going to bring you to a page where you have a number of routers. You need to know the brand of your router or whoever provides your service provider's router. Okay, for this tutorial, mine is Linksys. All right, you're also going to need the IP address for whatever brand you're using. All right, so I'll click on Linksys and click on Linksys. Now you can do a Google search to find the default IP address for your particular brand. Just put in default Linksys IP address or default Belkin IP address and it should give it to you. Once you get that, what you want to do, you want to go to another browser up here, okay, and click in and type your IP address in the browser. Now I already know Linksys is 192.168.1.1, so let's type that in, 192.168.1.1. click on that and it's going to take you to your browser, your router's admin page, administrative page. Now, once you get there, if your system is encrypted, it's going to ask you for a username and password. You should know that. If not, you need to consult your internet service provider to get that. However, if you never encrypted it, it's just open routers or open wireless network, then the default username and password is admin. You can actually leave the username blank and just put admin in there and click OK, and it should take you to your router's admin page. All right, so once you got your router's admin page, got there, go back to OpenDNS and go on with the instructions. You want to basically now put the OpenDNS IP addresses in your routers, static DNS 1 and static DNS 2. Okay, so we see what they are: 208.67.222.222 for DNS 1 and 208.67.220.220 for static DNS 2. So now let's go back to our router's homepage. Okay, and you can see right here that I've already have mine here. Okay, mine's already in there. For static DNS 1 is 208.67.222.222, and for static DNS 2, 208.67.220.220. All right. Now, once you get there, those are not going to be the numbers, so you have to physically type them in for yourself. I would also jot down the numbers that I had before. I put this OpenDNS in there just in case you need to use them later. And then once you do that, just go down here and click Save Settings, and your router DNS has been changed to OpenDNS, and it should be pulling data in your home to your home router a lot faster. Okay, and like I said, you just might want to search and make sure you got the fastest or the closest DNS server in your area. And like I said, you can do a Google search to get there. So once you do that, you're all set. We've successfully changed the DNS server location on our router, and the router should perform a lot faster.